Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can hide elements in your Canva document. Now, I have this document that I got from the Canva library, and there are many objects here. There's a background, there is a lake, there's a dog, there's a person, there's a boat, grass, etc. Now, let's say I want to hide this boat from the lake. There are two methods to hide this element, and this will work on any element. It could include an image, video, graphic, vector, or pretty much anything that might present on your document. So here's the method to hide one item. We are not going to remove it. We just hide it, which later we can recover. So there are two methods. The first method is really just to put that object into the bag. Basically, it will be behind the other object. So what you need to do, you can right click on that object, go to layer, and you can select either send backward or send back. Send to back. Send to back is basically sending backward, but multiple times, and it will be at the very bottom of the layer. But for now, I'm going to select send backward and see what's going to happen. Now the boat is gone, but this method has its problem because now that the object is behind this lake, this element, we cannot click on that. We cannot modify, we cannot conduct any editing on that boat, on the object that was hidden. So I personally don't recommend the technique. Instead, what I recommend is you can click on the image and you can change the transparency level of that object. So you want to reduce that to 0, meaning that that object would be fully transparent. And I think that method is much better since you can just hover a cursor over the supposed location of the hidden object and you can interact with it. We can edit the object, you can increase the transparency again. So basically it's not completely out of reach, and that's why I do recommend that method. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on the next video.